I bought this for me, and now I'm literally hiding it from my wife, and here's why. So this little plain looking tube showed up, Nano Cream. I'll admit it. I overlooked it because it doesn't look like much, no flashy packaging, no fragrance, no color, just 8 ingredients. And honestly, that's what sold me. I didn't want some complicated skincare routine or a bunch of ingredients that I can't even pronounce. I started using it after I shaved because my neck always gets tight, red, and irritated. It just settles it down. Then I started putting it on after being out in the sun, then on my hands, and somewhere along the way, my wife tried it. Now, somehow it never stays in my drawer anymore. What I thought was really interesting is that your skin has 3 natural protective layers, and most creams only focus on 1. Nano Cream is designed to support all 3. It even uses natural preservatives that helps keep your skin clean. Pretty impressive for something with only 8 ingredients. Look, it's not flashy, and I don't think it's trying to be, but for what's in it and what it costs and how my skin feels after using it, I'm a fan. The only downside is we're going through it way faster now that my wife's using it. If you're looking for something simple that actually feels great on your skin, just make sure you hide it from your wife. Check out Nano Cream below.